Yes, hello lovely viewers. As you can see, this is your hottest channel on YouTube, the Written channel, and we normally bring you very lovely programs about the real estate section. So today we are seeing something strong, something strange, as these two gentlemen digging this feet of manhole, that is two contract men. Well, it's also interested in Written simply because some of us, we used to rent excavators for such projects, but here in Africa, how strong people are and can do this manually. So today the Written program is bringing you close to these manhole diggers. We have to interview them and also try to know how much do they charge for such contract, how long have they worked such job. This is manpower work. Yes, today we are looking at a manhole diggers on our Written channels. I think it will be very important sometimes when we have you are building your own house, and it's very necessary for you to have a manhole automatic. So sometimes you need not to compose you to rent excavator, but there are some people who will dig this manhole for you. You cannot have a building without this, because this is where I think the final fuses have to be stored. So it's very important, and anyone who will build here would like to have a manhole. So we talk to these people about it. They will tell us the whole thing, what the manhole stands for here, what does it do in terms of the house, and what is actually happening, you know. So you are all what I'll be always telling you, and what I needed from you is to just love our channel, you share and subscribe. This is the Written channel, and here is the real estate section. We always bring you the best information.
Length say 8 feet.
That is from here. Okay, let's take it like this. From here
to here.
It is 8 feet. Okay.
From here to here, 17.
And from here to here,
It's 17.
it's 17 feet. So 8
by 7.
8 by 17.
17, yeah.
Feet. And
but
down
10 feet down.
10 feet down.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, that is marvelous. That is marvelous. Let me ask, brother, patronize your friend say. Kwamina Sare. Now, Kwamina, Mr. Sase, 15 years experience. How many years have you also worked? So, how many years experience do you have in this job?
8 years.
8 years experience. So, I think it look like very incredible. You know, utum say you are two people. So, in case you have this job, you have been awarded this contract. How many days will you use to finish up job like this?
Okay, we know you started Monday, number watch na week. Until we have a week there, you 2 weeks.
How many weeks?
1 week.
1 week.
Yeah.
Wow, this 8 by 17 down feet, 10 feet down. You use 1 week to complete this job. Wow, this show that you are very strong Africans. They also as telling me that this particular manhole that they are digging, the landlord, the owner was not actually specific where to get it, but they told him that, well, here we can do it here at the same time. After everything, we flow it, and later it will be your garage, so that when somebody even come to this house, you will never know that there's a manhole here. Okay, then I'm bisa wasem. Now say what can say in case a money be here, I find a can never I want to know from him in case it gets full and they have to draw it out. How can that happen?
Anytime be a kana omode be you know omoba mukula two ana kana a machine to mo ebe connected to plant to manhole in keke. Okay. Yeah, round bi wo ano a eno ye de ade sha no ketue bi kukuru apa omoba omode omotu pumewura sa round ni. Apart from say around now,
okay, according to him, they said there's advanced way, there's a little space that they are going to leave it, and anytime it gets full, when the puller car comes, you only dump in a tube and it put things out, and things are very easy. To them, Kwamina means they are good, they are very experienced people when it comes to the manhole section. So anyone that I think you are in this country and I'm talking about my returning people, and you think you will be needing such people, it's better for you to contact the returning channel. Yes, you know, that is our monitoring house. I've been telling you, you can see project is going on. And today on our returning channel, we are talking to two strong men who are doing this manhood thing. And as you can see how strong these people look and how serious work is going on here. As I've been telling you, my name is Alfred Kojomensa. All what I needed from you is to love our channel, you share and you subscribe. Today, just let us talk to this lovely gentleman and find out what actually this manhole stands for and how many feet are they digging, and in case we want to contact them on our 10, how can we get in touch with them? So now I've been telling you, my name is Alfred Kojomensa, aka 247, and all what I needed from you is to love our channel, is share and subscribe. So officer,
yeah,
opening patch your saying
with Simon answer.
Simon Ansa. Wow, Mr. Simon Ansa. Wow. Me pacho na me am tun say ejime ya wo ye no. Woni wunu no, me ya company na say me ya danfo keke.
Oh, ya danfo. Ade a ye frefre ya ho. Okay. Say we obako font me nye. Nti say mu ye mienu ana miensa. That mu ye strong people a betimi aye.
Okay.
Na oh, me almost 15 years in here.
Okay, 15 years experience with this job. But manhole na kasa dey important na yema edan no.
Manhole dey ehama toilet. Wow, o koto senefre no. Usi danya. Say oye to manhole. Oye WC.
Okay.
Na say we mumu na nka better. Because say the omo yes say kurampo no. Uni asase a untimi nye.
Okay.
What you say only plotter is a war plotter na so we garden. And I'll bet me a Biofuel and a Biogas.
Okay.
What you say now only plot now see what Biofuel even I would go share. We say will be dying. And the best thing say we are then who to manhole.
Well, let me explain, Mr. Ansan. Let me explain this to my viewers. According to Mr. Ansan, he said this manhole actually required because if you are building and maybe the space is not big enough, it's not necessary for you to be able to go with the biogas or other stuffs or hot
biofuel
or biofuel. Okay, but the best thing is for you to go with the manhole because of the space that may be required. So it's very important and advisable that if you are building and you just think the space is not enough for you, instead of you to go in for biogas or biofuel, it's better for you to have a manhole. Yeah. Okay, but yes, meaning if you don't have space and you have been linking to a gutter that the waste will be passing away, you cannot just go with the biogas.
Yeah.
So what is the difference? The manhole is there, and how does
manhole
it
store? Oh yeah, then you have a big manhole. Ma, what for the car? No, I'll be train. Now I am free. Won't say you'll be plot. What you say?
Okay.
Only step will be so because say ma, say all day. Car now I bet you no why you free.
Okay. So now what Mr. Ansan is trying to tell us is that the difference between the manhole and the biogas is that the biogas actually requires a space, a large space, and that also sometimes have a little effect with the land. But the manhole can be done, and when that's the fuses will be stored here, and anytime it's full, you only call a car, then for them to pull it out, then it gets empty and it goes again. Empty, Mr. Ansan, open so let me say, a more advantage say obey two manhole instead of using biogas.
Because say only space there, and you want to be into a just a to manhole. Now say to manhole, so I bet me aboa. Be aboa because. Or no only step will be soon will be fear. You are back a sakasa. Okay. And I say, anytime you are say only space there. So
now I hope you people have telephone number.
Yeah.
That you give it to us, you put it on, you say it on our screen. So in case somebody needed people like you, we can contact us, or you can contact you people directly. But you know, the returning channel have its own real estate office. So I think that's exactly what we have been telling our viewers, that we have our office, and through our office, anytime you want to build, you can do everything through our channel. We can get you the architect, we can get you the masons, we can get you the carpenters, we can get you the painters, the tile layers, and we are talking to this manhole diggers. And trust me, if you want to contact them through returning channel, I think you are free to go, and anywhere, wherever you are, I think we reach you. So, Mr. Ansan, you can say your name again and your telephone number to my viewers.
Yeah, me did this Simon Ansan.
Okay.
My telephone number is 0544.
Okay.
831.
Okay.
815.
Okay. 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 Okay.